Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veg burrito at home, full guide. Start by prepping rice, draining beans, chopping peppers, onions, tomatoes, cilantro, and lime for bright flavor. Cook rice and warm beans with spices, then sauté vegetables until tender but still crisp. Keep fillings warm and assemble on a toasted tortilla, fold tightly, and finish on the skillet for a golden, melty finish. I'll walk you through each filling step and explain simple swaps for flavor. Start by cooking rice in broth and finish with lime and cilantro. Sauté onions, peppers, and mushrooms with cumin and a pinch of salt for depth. Heat beans gently with garlic and a splash of water so they stay creamy. Taste and adjust seasoning, then keep fillings warm for easy burrito assembly and serving. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a little kitchen-to-car upgrade that smells great after grocery runs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and for more kitchen picks I actually use. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Assembling a burrito is faster than it looks and very forgiving. Lay the warmed tortilla flat, add a line of rice first, then beans, sautéed veggies, cheese, and fresh salsa. Fold the sides in, tuck and roll tightly from the bottom to encase everything. Toast the seam side down on a hot skillet until golden, flip for even browning, and rest briefly before slicing so the filling sets up nicely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.